And then customer and supplier intimacy. Customer means how to make your customer happy, because customer is the money. Okay, so if the customer is happy, then you will survive into the information system, and the information system gonna help you to keep track of your customer. That's why you have a new system which is called CRM. So CRM means customer relationship management. Okay, so CRM is a new science over there to keep track of your customer, so that you should not lose the customer. And supplier intimacy means how to keep track of your suppliers. For example, if you have a shop over there and you have like three or four suppliers, and for example, if you have a superstore, so in the superstore you might have seen that the dairy product is supplied by the Almarai or the or Halib Saudi over there, and then the plastic product is supplied by some other companies over there. The what we call electronics products are supplied by, for example, like Huawei or other Samsung interfaces over there. So there are a lot of suppliers as well for any business over there. So how the suppliers, how to keep track of the supplier? So information system makes it easy. With just one click, you can order the supply which is lacking into your business over there. And for example, before you have a 200 products and you sold all the 200 products, and then you apply for it. Before it finishes, you just like apply for the new supply over there. So the purpose of this slide is to tell you that why it is important, the role of information system in customer and supplier intimacy.